Question 1. Which organization maintains the banking system of India? Your options are A. Union Ministry of Commerce, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Union Finance Commission, D. Union Ministry of Finance. Your answer will be option B. Reserve Bank of India. Question 2. Who was appointed as Chief Financial Officer, CFO, of the World Bank in 2019? Your options are A. Chanda Kochar, B. Anshula Kant, C. Bachendri Pal, D. Arundhati Bhattacharya. Your answer will be option B. Anshula Kant. Question 3. Which of the following bank is closing down its branches in India? Your options are A. RBS, B. HSBC, C. PNB, D. SBI. Your answer will be option A. RBS. Question 4. When was State Bank of India founded? Your options are A. 1951, B. 1953, C. 1955, D. 1957. Your answer will be option C. 1955. Question 5. What is credit note? Your options are A. A receipt for damaged goods, B. A receipt for sold goods, C. A receipt for purchased goods, D. A receipt for returned goods. Your answer will be option D. A receipt for returned goods. Question 6. What is the full form of FII? Your options are A. Foundation Investment of India, B. Foreign Institutional Investment, C. Formal Institution of India, D. Fair Investment of Institutes. Your answer will be option B. Foreign Institutional Investment. Question 7. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? Your options are A. 1925, B. 1930, C. 1935, D. 1940. Your answer will be option C. 1935. Question 8. Which was the first Bank of India? Your options are A. Bank of Hindustan, B. State Bank of India, C. General Bank of India, D. Punjab and Sindh Bank. Your answer will be option A. Bank of Hindustan. Question 9. What is the full form of GST? Your options are A. Goods or Services Tax, B. Goods or Services Tax, C. Goods on Services Tax, D. Goods and Services Tax. Your answer will be option D. Goods and Services Tax. Question 10. If repo rate increased, how it will affect home loan installment? Your options are A. EMI will increase, B. EMI will decrease, C. EMI will not change, D. None of the above. Your answer will be option A. EMI will increase. Question 11. Which international bank name is abbreviated as SCB? Your options are A. Standard Chartered Bank, B. Standard Chartered Bank, C. Standard Chartered Bank, D. Standard Credit Bank. Your answer will be option A. Standard Chartered Bank. Question 12. Who was the first woman chairperson of SBI? Your options are A. Rajashri Gandhi, B. Arundhati Bhattacharya, C. Anshula Kant, D. Chanda Kochar. Your answer will be option B. Arundhati Bhattacharya. Question 13. What is the last character of a PAN card? Your options are A. It is a digit, B. It is an alphabet, C. It is a special character, D. None of the above. Your answer will be option B. It is an alphabet. Question 14. What is the full form of an AV? Your options are A. Nominal average value, B. National average value, C. Net asset value, D. Net asset volume. Your answer will be option C. Net asset value. Question 15. Which of the following organizations issues the RuPay card? Your options are A. SIDBI, B. NPCI, C. RBI, D. SBI. Your answer will be option B. NPCI. Question 16. A cash deposit made by business appears on the bank statement as dash balance. Your options are A. Debit, B. Credit, C. Expenses, D. Liabilities. Your answer will be option B. Credit. Question 17. What is the full form of IFSC? Your options are A. Investment Financial System Code, B. Index Financial System Code, C. Indian Financial System Code, D. Inventory Financial System Code. Question 18. The entry to replenish a petty cash fund includes a credit to. Your options are A. Petty cash, B. Cash, C. Freight in, D. Postage expense. Your answer will be option B. Cash. Question 19. What is the full form of NEFT? Your options are A. National Electronics Funds Transfer, B. National Electronics File Transfer, C. National Elected Fund Transfer, D. National Elected File Transfer. Your answer will be option A. National Electronics Funds Transfer. Question 20. What is bank reconciliation statement? Your options are A. Part of cash book, B. Part of passbook, C. Statement prepared by bank, D. Statement prepared by a customer. Your answer will be option D. A statement prepared by a customer. Question 21. What is the full form of TDS? Your options are A. Tax deduction at source, B. Tax deducted at system, C. Tax deducted at source, D. Taxes deducted at source. Your answer will be option C. Tax deducted at source.